What's going on, boaters? This is Dylan with MarineMax Dallas, right here in Louisville, Texas, and we're on the all-new 2026 Boston Whaler 21 Montauk. Jump in board and let's check out a few of my favorite features on this boat. So welcome in the 21 Montauk. Let's start in the back here with these pop-up seats. Very easy to use. If you want to fish, you can keep it down, or if you want to have the family out and enjoy the water, you can pop it up. Right here, we got a 200 Mercury V6, and this one's got the tow bar. So it's more than just a fishing boat. You can get the kids back there, throw them around a little bit. So right here, we got our leaning post. It does have the bolstered seats. If you want to see above everywhere you're driving, got your actual leaning post. A cool feature I like, even though it's 2026, they still offer analog and digital gauges. I'm a big fan of that. And if we come up to the bow of the boat, you could be lounged out reading your book, or if it's just you and the boys out fishing, you can take that backrest out very easily and use that as rod holders. There's a lot more really cool features on this Boston Whaler 21 Montauk. Please come out here to MarineMax Dallas and check this boat out for yourself. I'm Dylan with MarineMax Dallas. Come see us.